Hey champions, today let's dive into the powerful world of introspection and how it can significantly enhance your personal martial arts experience. We often focus on physical training, but the mental aspects are just as crucial. We talk about them all the time. So taking time to reflect on your progress, your mindset, and your techniques, what it does is it allows us to identify both your strengths and also your areas of improvement. So this self-awareness that the journaling creates, it will help transform like a good martial artist into a great one. That self-reflection, it isn't just about critiquing ourselves, it's also about writing down your wins, getting your celebrations and your victories. It's about every belt, every technique that you've mastered, and every sparring session that you've completed. It deserves recognition. And by acknowledging your achievements, you start to build your confidence, which fuels your motivation to push even harder. So after every training session, get your journal out. Take a moment to reflect on what went well. In time, this positive reinforcement will become a major key in maintaining your enthusiasm for your practice. So let's talk about the areas that need improvement, okay? I want you to think about those moments in your training where you've struggled or you've felt stuck. And instead of feeling defeated, what I want you to do is I want you to view these as they're the golden opportunities for growth. Write down, analyze what went wrong, and ask yourself, like, how, what, when. Go and seek feedback from your other instructors, other peers that are further up the journey than you. And then constructive criticism, it's going to help sharpen your skills and deepen your understanding of your martial art. So by incorporating the introspection into your routine, you can also enhance your focus, your discipline. So you've also got to set time aside each week, like we talk all the time, to visualize your goals and note down your progression. See what it is that you want to achieve. Practice being grounded. Remind yourself, why did you start martial arts? Remember the first day you put your belt on. But why did you start in the first place? Remember, champions, self-reflection is not just a tool for improvement, okay? It's a pathway to becoming the best version of yourself, both on, also off the mat. So let's keep training, keep improving, and keep reflecting. And I'll see you in the dojo soon with your journal, I hope. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.